Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to send mail in Gmail. Friends, to send email from your mobile phone, you simply need to open Gmail app. In Gmail app, press on profile icon. Now here you can add your Gmail account by pressing on add another account. I am skipping this step as my account is already added. Now press on compose. Now here we need to compose our email. In two sections, we need to enter the email address of the person to whom we want to send email. Here you can add multiple email addresses. After entering email addresses in two sections, if you want to copy this email to someone, like you want to copy this email to his boss or some other person, then you simply need to press on the small arrow, and here in CC section you can enter the email address of that person. Here also you can add multiple email addresses, but note one thing, all the email addresses entered in two section and CC section are visible to all. Now if you want to send a blank copy, like you don't want these people to know that this mail is sent to someone else also, then you need to enter those email addresses in BCC. Here also you can enter multiple email addresses. Now after entering the email addresses, enter subject of the email. Now after entering subject of the mail, you need to compose email. I have already composed the matter, so I will just paste it. Now after composing the email, if you want to add some file, then you simply need to press on this attachment icon. Here press on attach file. You can attach your file from your mobile device, or you can attach file from your Google Drive account also. I am selecting this file just to show you. Now your file is attached to your email. Now to send this email, you simply need to press on send button. Now our email is sending. Now your email is sent. Now to see the send emails, you need to press on these three lines and here press on send. Now here you will find all the send emails. From here you can take the printout of your send email, or you can also forward this email by pressing on forward button. So friends, like this you can very easily send mail in Gmail. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.